Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss a looming health crisis. Over 50% of adults may be overweight by 2050. Over 50% of adults and 1/3 of the children and young people across the world will be overweight or obese by 2050, which will be an unparalleled threat of early death, a recent report said. A failure to respond to the growing obesity crisis over the past 3 decades across the world has led to an increase in the number of people affected, as per the analysis published in The Lancet. The study showed that there are now 2.11 billion adults aged 25 or above and 493 million children and young people aged 5 to 24 who are overweight or obese. In 1990, the figures were 731 million and 198 million, respectively. If no action is taken, more than half of those aged 25 or above worldwide, and almost 1/3 of all children and young people will be affected by the year 2050, the report claimed. The unprecedented global epidemic of overweight and obesity is a profound tragedy and a monumental societal failure, said lead author Prof. Emanuela Gakidu from the University of Washington, as quoted in a report in The Guardian. As per the report, over half of the adults classified as overweight in the report live in just these 8 countries: China, 402 million, India, 180 million, US, 172 million, Brazil, 88 million, Russia, 71 million, Mexico, 58 million, Indonesia, 52 million, Egypt, 41 million. Another study also published by the World Obesity Federation warned against the impact of obesity in poorer countries. By far, the greatest number of premature deaths attributable to high BMI are in lower and upper middle-income countries, indicating poor levels of treatment available, its authors wrote. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.